Hi, I'm Meike. I'm a co-founder of Lernhacks. One of the major learning and development challenges today is bringing the worlds of work and learning closer together. Study results suggest that employees want to keep learning and that opportunities for development are an important factor in creating workplace happiness and increasing employee engagement. At the same time, business objectives and everyday work tasks require our constant attention, and usually we give them higher priority than our learning intentions and activities. So how can we bring work and learning closer together? How can we make learning part of everyday work to keep learning? Digital work environments such as Microsoft 365 offer great opportunities and solutions to make this happen. Often, digital work and learning environments basically require the same features, such as sharing information, making it accessible, developing ideas, or communicating. With our new Lernhacks, we would like to leverage the potential of Microsoft 365 for everyday learning and turn it into a learning environment for individuals, teams, and organizations. Let's get started.